Hi guys, we're going to make easy manicotti. In a bowl I put 3 cups of shredded low moisture mozzarella, 1 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese, half a cup of grated Parmesan, and 4 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature. I'm going to add 2 well-beaten eggs. This is 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And mix this up till it's combined. I put the filling in the refrigerator with saran wrap over it, and I've sprayed a 9 by 13 inch baking dish with nonstick cooking spray. I have an 8-ounce box of manicotti shells. I'm going to cook them until they're al dente, 8 to 9 minutes. And the pasta should have a little bit of a chewiness and not completely soft and mushy. And the pasta should have like a little bit of white in the area, so which will mean that it's al dente. I'm draining my pasta on some paper towel, and I'm going to pour some sauce in the bottom of the dish. I just got some jars of marinara sauce. Make sure I spread it around. It's probably, I didn't measure it, it's about 2 cups worth of sauce on the bottom. And I'm going to fill these. I'm using a little icing filler. You could also take a Ziploc bag and cut the tip off of that and use that. And then I'm just going to lay them inside the dish. I have 2 marinara jars, and I'm going to pour 3 cups over it. I just want to make sure that I cover the top with it. This is more mozzarella that I'm putting on top. And this is 2 cups of mozzarella. And now I'm going to sprinkle half a cup of grated Parmesan on the top. Okay, so my oven is preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to cover this with foil. I'm going to bake this with the foil on for 15 minutes, and then you're going to remove the foil and bake another 10 to 15 minutes. You want the cheese to be melted and the sauce to be bubbly. And you want to let it cool in the pan for at least 8 minutes. So there's my easy manicotti. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.